Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. Today we will do Chapter 8 Numbers from 41 to 50 from Numeracy Skill Book Plus Workbook. Now take out your pink color book. Take out your pink color book and start learning numbers 41 to 50 with me. Page number 46. First, 4141. Take out your pencil and start writing 4141. 41, 40, 41, 41, 41. And this line is in your homework. Second line is in your homework. 42, 42. 42, 42. 42, 42. Then 43. Do it neatly and properly. Do it neatly. 44, 44. 44. Sing with me. 44. Then 45, 45. 45, 45. Completed fast. 41, 42, 43, 44 and last one is 45. Now 46, 46. This line is in your homework. 7, 7. This line is in your homework. 48, 48, 8. Do it neatly and properly. Do it neatly, okay? Then 49, 49, 49. What is this? 49, 49. Then last one is 50, 50. Do it fast. 46, 47, 48, 49, then 50. I can do. Yes, we can do. Find what number is hiding behind each object on the number chart. Write the number in the box given below the number chart. First, you have to see that in this there are some pictures. There are some pictures with numbers. You have to find out that on picture which number will come. Start do? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slice of pizza. Then slice of pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have to write 6. 7, 8, 9, ball. 7, 8, 9, then 10. Where is ball? This. Then 10. Okay. 11, 12, candy? No. 11, 12, 13. Then you have to write 13 in front of candy. 14, 15, 16. 3. 14, 15, 16. No. 14, 15, 16. Then 17. You have to write 17 here. 18, 19, 20. Then 21. 22, 23, 24. Apple. 25. Write down 25 in front of an apple. 26, 27, 28, 29. Then 30, 30. Write 30, 30 in front of bird. 31, 31. Then bat. No. 32, 32. 33, 33, 34, 35, 36. Bike. 37. 38, 39, 40, 40. Then lion. 40, 41. Very good. 41. 42, 43, 44, 45. Car. 45, 46. 46. Now, next 47, 48, 49. Peacock. After 49, what will come? 50, 50. Do it fast. I hope you all understand this. Have a look to our next page, page number 49. Join the numbers from 1 to 50 and color the picture. Join the number from 1 to 50. Start joining with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of you sing with me. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, then 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. Completed fast. Now we have to color it. We have to color it. Take out your crayons and start coloring with me. Start coloring with me. This. What is this? This is a horse. This is a horse. Now rest the picture of color is in your homework. Okay, you have to do at home. You have to do at home. Now, write numbers from 1 to 50. Write numbers from 1 to 50. Start writing numbers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start writing. All of you are doing. And do it neatly. Sixteen, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do it fast. All of you are doing. Do it properly and neatly. 41, 42, 3, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, then 50, 50. Do it fast and do it neatly. Do it neatly. Page number 51. Page number 51. Write the missing numbers 1 to 50. Now we have to write the missing numbers. The missing numbers. In this 1, after 1 what will become? 2. Then after 3, 4. After 4, 5. Then 6. After 6, 7. After 8, 9. Then 10. After 11, 12. Then 13, 14. Now 15 is here. After 15, what will become? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Completed fast. Till 20 completed. After 21, 22, 23, 24. After 25, 26. After 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Then after 31, 32. Very good. 33. Do it neatly, Hannah. Do it neatly. Then after 35, what will become? 36. Then 37. After 38, 39. Then 40. Then 41. Then after 42, 43, 44, 45. After 46, 47, 48, 49, then last is 50. Last is 50. Do it fast. I hope you all enjoyed and learned the numbers perfectly and easily. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye-bye.